Welcome to Mohan classes. In this video we are going to talk about direct and inverse proportion for 8th standard. Let us start. What is direct proportion? If the number of articles purchased increases, the total cost also will increases. If the money deposited in the bank has increased, the interest also going to be increased. So here one is increasing, the other also getting increasing. One is decreasing, the other also getting decreasing. Let us take the ratio is x by y. So he will take it this as x and this as y. Okay. So here let us take the amount deposited in the bank is 1000 rupees. Per annum he is getting 7% interest. So how much he will get? For 1000 rupees, 70 rupees interest per annum he will get. Suppose if he is increasing the deposit as 5000, he is going to get 350. Suppose if it is 3000, he will get 210. You see here the amount for 1000 70, for 5000 350. So amount increased, interest also increased. Amount again decreased, interest decreased. So this is called direct proportion. Here the ratio will be, here we can take it as x1, x2, x3 like that. Here we can take it as y1, y2, y3 like that. Here the ratio x1 by y1 is equal to x2 by y2 is equal to x3 by y3. You can see 1000 divided by 70 and 5000 divided by 350, 3000 divided by 210. You see the ratio, you will get, what you will get? You will get the same, 1000 by 70, you will get 100 by 7. Here also you will get 100 by 7. Here also you will get 100 by 7. So the ratio will not change. XY is the direct proportion, the ratio will not change for any instances. Okay, this is called direct proportion. What about inverse proportion? Inverse proportion, if it is x, if it is y, if x increases, y will decrease. If y increases, x will decreases. That is, if x increasing means y will decrease. Okay, so if it is decreasing means it will increase. So the opposite. So that is called inverse proportion. Example, as the speed of the vehicle increases, the time taken to cover the same distance decreases. Suppose here there is a 100 kilometer distance. Okay, here two-wheeler is moving with 40 kilometer speed, he will take 2.5 hours to cover. If he is increased his speed to 50, so he will take 2 hours to cover. If he increase his speed to 100, he will take 1 hour. You see here, the speed is 40, 2.5 hours. The speed increased, the time taken decreased. The speed increased, the time taken decreased. So if x is increased means y will decrease. If x decreases means y will increase. That's it. Understand? So here the ratio will be like this. x1, we can take this as x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3, blah blah blah. So here the ratio will be x1, y1 is equal to x2, y2 is equal to x3, y3. Here x1 by y1, here x1 into y1 is equal to x2 into y2. This is the ratio. Let us do some sums, then you will understand easily. So here a machine in a soft drink factory fills 840 bottles in 6 hours. So now you have to find out in 5 hours how many bottles will be filled. Okay. So here what is given? 840 bottles in 6 hours. And then 5 hours, what we have to find out? Here we have to find out x2 or x1. So here what is the ratio? x1 by y1 is equal to x2 by 2, right? So that is equal to x2 by So cross multiply it. 6 x2 is equal to 5 into 840. Therefore, x2 is equal to 5 into 840 divided by 6. What you will get? 6 ones are 6, 4 6 are 40. So that is equal to 5 into 140 will get 700. So 700 bottles will be manufactured in 5 hours. Here the time reduced, the quantity of production also reduced. So it is a direct inversion. So that only we are direct inverse. Sorry, direct proportion, right? It is in direct proportion. Therefore, we are using it. Here, in a model of a ship, the mast is 9 meter high, while the mast of the actual ship is 12 meter high. If the length of the ship is 28 meters. So, actually, while the most of the actual ship is 12 meters. So, 12 meter and actually the length of the ship 28 meters. It is mast, it is length. Now, suppose 9 meter means what is the mast we have to find out. Here you have to find out y2. So that means 12 by 28 is equal to 9 by y2. So now you have to find out y2, right? Cross multiply it. 28 into 9 divided by 12. Okay. What you will get? 4. 3s are 12. 3. Here 7. So 21 meter. The ship length should be 21 meter. This is the answer. Okay, let us move to the next. Here a 5 meter and 60 centimeter high vertical pole casts a shadow of 3 meter and 20 centimeter. Okay, find the same time the length of the shadow caused by another pole 10 meter and 50 centimeter high, and then height of the pole which caused a shadow of 5 meter long. So here two questions. First, what is given? 5 meter and 60 centimeter high vertical pole cause a shadow of 3 meter and 20 centimeters. So we have to convert this in 1. So first given 5 meter 60 centimeter can be written as 560 centimeter. Okay, and then 3 meter 20 centimeter it has given. It is 320 centimeter. Find the same the length of the shadow by 10 meter 50 centimeter. So 10 meter 50 centimeter can be written as 1050 centimeter, and the another one is 5 meter long. 5 meter will be converted as 500 centimeter. Now we have to put it in the box. 560 centimeter hole creating 320 centimeter shadow. A 5 meter 60 centimeter high vertical caused a shadow of 3 meter 20 centimeter. Next one is find the length of the shadow. Here you have to find out length of the shadow. It is pole, it is shadow. Okay. So here P1 is given 10 meter, 1050 centimeter. Here you have to find out what is y1. So here the height of a pole which caused a 5 meter long. So here it is 500. So here the height of pole which caused shadow, sorry, it is 500, right? Shadow is 500. Here we have to find out what is x2. First we will do this ratio. So here first we have to find out what is y1. How we will do that? 560 divided by 320 is equal to 1050 divided by y1, right? Therefore, y1 is equal to, cross multiply it, 1050 into 320 divided by 560. Correct? What I did, I have sent this y1 from denominator over here. This 560 has come down and 320 will go there. Now you simplify, 0, 0 will cancel, 4 8s are 32, 7 8s are 56, here you will get 150. So 150 into 4, y1 is equal to 150 into 4. So that is equal to 600 centimeter. So that is equal to 6 meter. So for this first question, the shadow will be 6 meter. Now you have to find out what is the pole height. So like this ratio we have to take. So that is 560 by 320 is equal to x2 by 500. Okay. So therefore x2 is equal to 560 into 500 divided by 320. So what you will get? 4 8s are 32, 7 8s are 56. Again it will go by 2, 25. Again here it will go by 2, 35. So that is equal to 35 into 25. So 35 into 25 means 5 25s are 125, 12, and then 3 25s are 75, 75 plus 12, 87 centimeter. So that is equal to 8.75 meter. Understand? So this is the way in which we have to do all this direct proportion questions. First we have to make the box, whatever the things, the ratio first we have to create. After that you have to find out x1 or y1 or x2 or y2 you can do by cross multiplying the ratios. Now we do some sums for inverse proportion. You see here in a box of sweets is divided among 24 children. They will get 5 sweets each. So okay. So here 24 children, if we divide, each getting 5, right? Each student will get 5 sweets. How many would each get if number of children is reduced by 4? Reduced by 4. Number of children reduced by 4 means 24 minus 4, 20. Now you have to find out what is y1. So here you see what will happen. Here it is they are distributing. 24 children are there. The sweets, everyone is getting 5 sweets. Suppose if the children has been reduced, so what will happen here? The sweets given distributed to the children is going to increase. So it is a inverse proportion. The proportion is inverse. You have to understand what proportion is. Then only you have to, what is the, here it is x, here it is y, right? So that means here what is the ratio? x1 y1 is equal to x2 y2, right? So 24 into y5 is equal to 20 into y1. Therefore y1 is equal to 24 into 5 divided by 20. 4, 6. So here y1 is 6 sweets each student will get, one child will get 6 sweets, because here the number of children has reduced, the quantity given to them increased. Clear? So 6 is the answer for this. Let us do this. A contractor estimates that 3% could rewire just means that's house in 4 days. 3 persons, how many days they are taking? 4 days. Person and days. So here if he uses 4 persons, so he is increased the number of people. So what will happen here? Automatically the days is going to come down, right? Let us, what is the ratio? 3 into, it is the ratio of inverse. He is increasing the workers. So automatically the time taken to complete the work will reduce. Inverse proportion. So that means 3 into 4 is equal to 4 into y1. Therefore y1 is equal to 3 into 4 divided by 4. 4 cancel. So you can complete the work in 3 days. Understand? So like this we have to, let us do the last one. Here the 2 persons could fit new windows in a house in 3 days. So 2 people working means they can finish the work in 3 days. So what is given? First 2 people can finish the work in 3 days. Here also the people, number of days covered. One of the person fell in before the work started. So 1 person is reduced. So what will be the time taken for this 1 person to complete the work? How many persons would be needed to fit the windows in 1 day? Now here they want to complete the work in 1 day. So here you have to find out what is x2. Clear? Understand? So 2 people means the work will be completed in 3 days. It is given. This is the original ratio. So from that ratio we are going to derive what is this and what is this. Understand? So what is the equation? 2 into 3 is equal to 1 into y1. Therefore y1 is equal to 6. Our first question is, answer is 6. One of the person fell before the work started. It means if 1 person is working, the days will be taken for 6 days. So that is, so 6 days is the answer. So here how many persons would be needed to complete the work? Here what is the ratio? 2 into 3 is equal to x2 into 1. 1 day they want to complete it in 1 day. Therefore x2 is equal to 2 into 3 divided by 1. Here also we are getting 6 people. So here 6 people are required to complete the work in 1 day. Understand? So that's it for the day. If you like this video, kindly share it to your friends and give your likes. Thank you.